Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Elizabeth, and in today's video I need to get my products together. I really need to organize my little cart where I keep my products that are open, unopened. So today's video, we're just organizing things, okay? I've done this before, and if you want to check out what my products actually look like a year or 2 years ago, definitely click the link up top, somewhere up top. But let's start. So I have a 3-tier cart that I bought from Target. As you can see here, we're not gonna look at the bottom tier. We're gonna just focus on the top 2. And I don't know, we're just gonna be cleaning stuff, okay? So Anthony, pass me the cart. Quick intro, but I need to get my life together. So this is my cart. You can't really see it, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull products out and kind of talk about them, if I like it, give you a real review, give you the real tea on some of the products that I have here. For the top tier, I like to keep products that are open, that I'm reaching out to, products I need to kind of get rid of, so I need to use them up quickly. This is not belonging in the top tier. So this is a satin scarf and my satin slat cap satin bonnet. It belongs more in the second tier. The second tier is new products that I want to try out next, all that good stuff. So what do I have here? I have a lot of hair clips. Okay, so bought these from Amazon. This I don't really like because it doesn't really gather a lot of hair. I like them more like this. So I have a lot of hair clips. What am I going to do with them? I do not know. But moving on. Let's start with products that I kind of want to get rid of soon. This right here, which is by Anasi. This is the Rock Your Curls Cream. I like it, but at the same time, I want to use it up because I kind of don't like it. So it's kind of weird, but this is a product that I definitely need to use up. I have a hair oil that I like to use on my feet and my hands, like a cuticle oil. So we have that right here. These two products by Miss Jessie. No, they're by Jessie Curls. I need to try them again because it kind of flaked on me, and I want to see if I can work around that because I have a lot of gels that flake on me, but I'm able to make it work. When I tried this before, I wasn't really impressed, so I'm going to try it again, but if I don't like it, I need to give it away. So these are products that I need to try before I give away. Now we got some products that I bought from Black Friday that I'm not really a big fan of. One is this She Scented Plum Nectar Agave Leave-In Styling Hair Yogurt. I wish this texture was a little bit more thicker. It's really thin. It's a very thin product. I do have a full review on it. I'm gonna try it again, but I might give it away. I don't know. Same thing with this Taylor Beauty. It's really thin. I like my leave-ins to be a little bit more on the thicker side, but this will... If I have a gel that is on the thicker side and I need something lightweight, this may pair well with it. This gel didn't give me any hold. This is another Taylor Beauty product that I bought for Black Friday, so it didn't really give me the hold I'm looking for. It felt kind of dry, so we shall see what I'm going to do with that. Now, I have a product here that should have been refrigerated, but did I do that? No, and I don't know if it's bad or not. This is the Eco Slay Jello Shot. I really did like this gel a lot. It gave me such a strong, long-lasting hold, but does it go bad if you don't refrigerate it? It don't smell bad. It had an Expo marker scent to it. I don't think it's bad, but I don't know.
Is it supposed to be in the fridge?
Yeah.
How long is it out here?
A long time, Anthony. At least 5 months.
You should throw it away.
Keep refrigerated.
Yeah. I
don't know the lifetime for this, but I've had it, I think, since the beginning of the year in this cart, and I've just been forgetting about it. Bueno. This is almost done, and I really do like this product. I'm going to include it in the empties, but this is like a hair scalp oil. So if my hair is dirty and I know I'm going to wash it, but it feels kind of itchy, so I would apply this oil all throughout my hair, massage it, leave it in overnight, and the next morning I'll wash it out. But I really do like the way this feels on the scalp. I'm looking up and down. I have a clay mask that I need to use up, and I have this one right here. Both these products I need to use up. I like this Botanicals one better than this one by Curls and Potion. They're kind of different, but it still has a clay in it. I don't like the way that this smells on the hair. My hair does look nice after using it, but if I had to repurchase another product, if I had to repurchase one of these two, it would be the Botanicals clay mask, but I have these two. Look how dusty. Yo, my goodness. I have this Eco Gel that I used one time in a video and I haven't touched it since. This doesn't have to be refrigerated and it still looks good. So I should maybe use this more in my hair. And then I have a lot of satin hair ties. So definitely need to, if you need hair ties, make sure their satin is really gentle on the hair. And then I do have a lot of hair masks. This is probably the protein treatment that I reach out to mostly. So this is a good protein treatment from Curl Junkie. I have 2 hair masks, one from Each Beauty that I really do like a lot. I like the peppermint scent of it. It feels nice and it leaves my hair feeling like so buttery soft. And then I have this one by Curl Junkie as well. It makes my hair feel soft as well. This is the Hibiscus and Banana Deep Fix. I have this rice spray from Sultanicals. So I forgot about this, but I'm starting to incorporate it more in my hair. So I would apply it more as a pre-poo. So either way. So I apply it either as a pre-poo before I wash my hair, or I would shampoo my hair, apply this, leave it on for like 10 minutes, and then rinse it out and then follow up with the conditioner. So it has a lot of good benefits to promote healthy hair growth. And that's what I'm trying to do all 2022. I'm not getting a haircut this year, so I want to see how long my hair is growing. But let's see what else I have on the top shelf. Oh my god, like I still have this gel by Sultanicals. This gel has a lot of good hold, and I did a comparison video with the EcoSlave versus the Sultanicals Frozen Grip Gel, and they pretty much performed the same. This one did flake on my hair more than the EcoSlave, but 4 or 5 long-lasting days with good definition. I like the gel a lot. I have the Bon Salve that I'm still using. I have this Pattern Pusher gel that, you know what, recently I tried to use it by itself and it felt pretty dry on my hair. So if you are looking to purchase this gel, you know, you need to apply it with another product. My go-to combo was using this with the Irish Moss Styling Cream. I recently used that product up, so it is in empties, but this compared with like a styling cream, such good like hold and moisture, but by itself it felt kind of dry. Yo, I got like myself here. I'm supposed to be organizing this. How am I organizing it? I'm just telling you what I have. I have the Bouclem Curl Defining Gel. I also have the Not Your Mother's Mousse. I'm gonna try this. You know what? I'm gonna start putting things aside that I need to try out one more time. If I don't like it, I'm gonna give it away. So let me organize this better. I have a Ayurvedic hair. This is just stuff how to make your own hair oil. So I definitely need to do that. Why? Because eventually I want to make my own hair oil. Lots of bobby pins and a scrunchie. So how I'm going to organize this is that in my top cart, I'm going to go ahead and move back the, oh, I don't know, I'm going to show you the products that I'm not going to move back. So one second. I don't know if I showed this. I must have, because it's already on my table, but like this is such a good hair oil. Definitely recommend. Okay, so the products in front of me at the moment, I'm gonna try one more time. If I can't really make it work, I'm definitely gonna give it to a friend. So I have 2 products from Taylor Beauty. Is this Taylor Beauty? This is Taylor Beauty. Yeah, this is Taylor Beauty. I have the Miss Jessie's. I keep wanting to say Miss Jessie's. No, it's not. This is the Jessie Curls Gel. And then I have a mousse. So I'm gonna probably try this out my next wash day with a leave-in conditioner. If I like a mousse, if I'm feeling it, then I'm gonna keep it. So this video was, you know what, it's just more for me. I'm organizing my product and you're watching. It kind of sucks because like you can't really see me like putting things here, but I am.
Can you see it?
Yeah, you kind of do. You see it. Not the bottom part. The bottom part is kind of messy. Oh, you know what, Anthony? Can you get the product behind me? You know what? That's a 4 bag.
What the?
Yeah, this is a bag of products that I need to give away to my friends. Oh, what am I doing? What am I doing? I forgot about this. This is the Janitor Beauty Leave-In Conditioner. This was like my go-to product. I used to use it as like a one and done back in like 2018, 2019. I need to use this up next. I want to see if I still like it. Like, there's a hair in here, lovely, but I need to try this out. I also have by Bouclem their Curls Redefined Curl Cream. I don't know why I have it just sitting outside. And then the Sultanicals Curl, what's this? Curl Supreme Conditioning Dream. Can I use it as a regular conditioner? Because I have like so many leave-ins that I'm not gonna be able to use. Can be used as a leave-in on thick, thirsty tresses. Oh, okay, wait. So it says apply generous amount of conditioner on hair after washing. Rinse out. I'm gonna use this as a conditioner. Let me show you what's in this Sephora bag of products that I'm like I need to like give away because I haven't reached out to in a long time. I need to make it look better, but I bought this from TJ Maxx, and this is the Briojo Conditioner. I don't really like the texture of it, but what might not work for me might work well for somebody else, so definitely need to give this away. This Nature's Little Secret Avocado Cream. Don't really care for it on my hair. This is not open at all. I haven't even used it, so that needs to go away. This product, I do like it, but like I don't really be detangling my hair like that, so give it to somebody else who does. And this is an unopened, oh no, this is open, baby. But this is a slip and slide knot proof hair glide by Botanicals. So I kind of want to like, I'm going to try these products. If I don't like it, I'm going to just be like, yo, anybody can take these. So far this is 13 minutes in. And what have I accomplished? I don't know. Okay, so let's move on to the second shelf. These are some products that are unopened that I will have to try out next. Now, these are two products unopened, but I already love and I need to add it to the top level because I already used one up. This is by Migas Banda and this is the Shebay Hair Tonic. I be using this water like crazy, okay? So I like to use it on either clean or dirty hair. It has really good ingredients that is going to help promote healthy hair growth. You know, I'm trying to get that length retention like I mentioned, but I'll just use this, retouch my hair, provides moisture, and I like it a lot. So I got it on the second tier, but like I should move one up top. Okay, so another new product as well, because Migas Banda had a 40% off sale. And not only, I bought these, of course, duh, but I was like, let me buy something else. So this product right here is the Depolation Fenugreek and Ginger Ayurvedic Hair Wash. So did I need this? Of course not. Of course, I have too many things already, but you know, YOLO basically. So what is it? As a pre-treatment, apply under your hair, or I can use it as a co-wash, but we doing this, baby. We doing this. I have a lot of products from AG Hair. So this is the Curl Refresh Conditioner, the Balance Shampoo. This is apple cider vinegar that's going to really help with buildup. I have another Recoil by AG Hair. I really do like this product a lot as a one and done. I have the Nourish Hair Mask, which it just looks really pretty. So I have that. This does not belong here, but like I bought it because of TikTok. This is supposed to be like a dupe for the Beauty Blender, and this was really affordable, a pack of 6, and I believe it's way under $20, and one Beauty Blender is $20, so I bought that, but that doesn't belong there. I won a giveaway from Botanicals so freaking long ago. Why did I keep so many hair conditioners? I don't know why. Like I really need to get rid of them. They're like not open at all, but like I shouldn't be hoarding products like this. So this is a Botanicals Manoi Deep Conditioning Fertilizing Dip along with the Shebay Ginger Super Deep Conditioner. I heard really good things about this, so I wanted to try it out. But like, look, it's not even open. It's sealed, so we're good. But I should really give this away. I think I might do that, Anthony.
Even more?
Yeah. I have another product from AG Hair. I have a heated hair cap. So on days that I actually remember and I want to really add an extra step of goodness to my hair routine, I would apply a plastic cap, deep conditioner, a plastic cap, and then I would heat this up in the microwave for like 2 minutes. You know, a minute each, whatever. Make it really hot, and then, you know, make it like, you know, that I can, you know, stand it on my head, and then I'll leave it on my hair for about 20 to 30 minutes, and it just provides that heat to my hair that's really going to open up the cuticles. So I have this. Wow, this is the Smooth and Defined Moisturizing Gel Styler. I don't know if they're still in business. I feel like on their Instagram they don't really post anything like that, so I'm not sure if they're still selling products, but this is a gel that I really did like. I really did like it. This is pretty much new from Botanicals, so I'm not going to give it away because eventually I'm going to get to it. You know how I mentioned that I like their clay mask? This is a lemongrass clay mask, anti-dandruff and locks clay mask. So I'm going to get around to this. And then I have a deep conditioner.
Give it away, give it away, give it away now.
I'm wondering if I should give this away. This is unopened.
Unopened?
Yeah, but like when am I going to get through this stuff?
When did you get it?
Like last year, I think it got sent to me.
Give it away.
But I had 2 of them, so I used one up, and this is a very thin consistency that it kind of reminds me of the Powder and Pusher gel. Oh, I don't know. So just so you can see another angle, this is all the products that I have in front of me. all of this, but let's continue with the video. I need to go to Target. What's at Target?
No.
That's Anthony's always asking me that. He always wants to know what's at Target. I need to buy, and there's like a moisturizer, like a face cream that I want to buy.
Nice.
When you know what he's gonna say, what's at Target? So I'm not sure where I last left off, but this I think I'm gonna give away. So this is gonna go to the giveaway pile. Another new product that I have not used up is in the second tier is this baby hair mask right here. This is the Anasi Restorative Hair Mask. 2 ounces. This is what I bought for Black Friday. I was thinking about making a video on it, but like I'm not gonna do that. Another thing that I have on the second tier is a bunch of hair ties still. This is like, if you have really thick hair, this will not break on you. So definitely look into that. I did buy it from Target. I have a conditioner from Love and Beauty. I had a coupon, so that's why I have it. But I actually do like the conditioners. It feels very soft on the hair. It's very slippery, and the scent lasts all day. So if you like the way this smells, you're gonna be smelling it in your hair. So I have that. I have some hair tea. So when I'm not lazy, I will brew some hair tea. I haven't done that in a while, so that's just a lot. I think that's about it. The third tier is like more hair clips, a bunch of like random stuff. So I think I'm gonna call it a day right here. I'm gonna look over some of these products to see what else I can give away. But did I accomplish a lot throughout this video? Probably not, because I'm just taking it out and I'm putting it back in. But like, I'm gonna be a little bit more smarter. I'm gonna take some products aside, use them up. If I don't like it, give it away, give it out to people. Like, yo, you want this gel, here. So that's what I'm gonna pretty much do. But I hope this video was somewhat entertaining. You got to see some of the products that I have here in my stash. I think I have like a couple more in my bathrooms. But you know what? This is the majority of the products that I am reaching out to. Some products that are, you know, not open that I do want to try out next. But let me know down below, when was the last time you cleaned out your hair products and you like gave things away? When was the last time? Do you like to like hoard products? Do you like to like keep, do you keep your products because you're saying I'm gonna use it up, and then you never touch it? Let me know if you're like that down below. And if you're watching the video to this point, Anthony, emoji, what are we thinking?
A box emoji.
I like that. So if you're watching the video to this point, leave a box emoji. So leave that emoji down below. That way I know you're watching the video to this point. If you're wondering what's in my hair, I'm never middle part. I'm always team side part. But did I need something? I bought a product from Target yesterday. The Miss Jessie's little packet. I think it was like the jelly curls. I have that in my hair. Do you like this video? Let me know what's up. Let's chat down below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys. Let me see how that looks. Let me see.